Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the Weather Hazard Briefing for Saturday, March 11th, 2023. It's going to be dry today. We are expecting more precipitation late Sunday into next week through the early part of next week. We're going to be fairly wet. So again, the key points today, it's going to be generally a quiet weekend. Well below normal high temperatures will continue today into Sunday. A little bit of warming on Sunday. Winds will be much lighter today, well below 15 miles per hour expected. Then more precipitation is expected to come into the region late Sunday through Wednesday of next week. Snow levels will generally run around 6,000 feet or so, oscillating between 5,000 and 7,000 feet, but generally around 6,000 feet, so it should be mainly rain in the Magic Valley and Snake River Plain early next week. The main threat for heavy snow will be in the Central Mountains, Sun Valley, Wood River areas. Looking at the satellite imagery this morning, again, not nearly the cloud cover we've had yesterday. So again, it's cleared out across much of the region. We do still have some light snow showers, mainly in Wyoming. There could still be some lingering in the extreme eastern part of Idaho towards the Wyoming border. Infrared satellite imagery shows upper level low off the British Columbia coast. And again, most of the significant moisture has moved east. I can see some moisture streaming into California, but generally going to be a nice day today for the most part, partly to mostly sunny across the whole region. The weather risk outlook box for today, again, not expecting anything, no impacts today. I could see some light snow or overnight rain and snow in the valleys move in on Sunday. And then precipitation is going to be fairly widespread off and on Monday through Wednesday. Again, rain and snow Monday, mainly in the Snake Plain. And again, low elevations rain on Tuesday, and then a rain-snow mix as we start to turn a bit colder Wednesday. Most of the snow, as I said, is going to be above 6,000 feet, so at least some minor to moderate risks Monday and Tuesday into Wednesday. Again, the worst area would probably be the Central Mountains, Sawtooth, Wood River area. But again, we're going to get fairly active again as we get into the early part of next week. Forecast map today, high pressure over Idaho, providing the dry weather. Again, most of the precipitation is going to be south and north of us. Then by Monday into Tuesday, you can see precipitation is overspread much of Idaho. Again, a mix in the lower elevations, again, snow above 6,000 feet. High temperatures today, very cold, generally 20s and 30s. This is running about 10 to 15 degrees below what it should be in this time of March. Low temperatures Sunday morning, very cold, some single digits below zero, Stanley, and again, single digits through Island Park. Generally teens to lower 20s, Snake River Plain, Magic Valley. Wind gusts this afternoon, very light compared to yesterday. We had many 60 to 70 mile per hour gusts, mostly below 20 mile per hour even for the gusts across the entirety of southeast Idaho. Again, highs tomorrow, a little bit of warming, mid to upper 30s for the most part. Some areas may get into the lower 40s, Burley to Twin Falls, even Pocatello may hit 40 degrees tomorrow. And low temperatures Monday morning, again, much milder than tomorrow morning, mainly 20s into the low 30s, low elevations, and teens as we have cloud cover moving in Sunday night. The snow amounts for Sunday and Monday, again, not extremely heavy. You can see some areas of above 6-inch amounts in the Sawtooths, but again, for the most part, 1 to 3-inch range in the mountain areas. And then as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday, you can see some of the higher elevations, again, mainly Central Mountains, the Sawtooth area. Could get into the 8 to 16-inch range, Island Park area, 4 to 6 inches. So again, we're getting back into some precipitation next week. And you can see with the rain expected, no snow amounts up the Snake River Plain. High temperatures by Tuesday, well into the 40s. Snake River Plain, Burley to Twin Falls might get into the low 50s. So again, it is going to start to warm up a bit as we get into this moist pattern. And Wednesday, a little bit of cooling, so again, snow levels should drop Wednesday. Most areas in the 30s with some low 40s. So again, even though we're warmer, these temperatures are still going to be running well below what they should be, again, for mid-March. And we look ahead, quick look at the 8 to 14 day outlook as we get into the latter part of March. Better chance of below normal temperatures continuing, so this what's been a very cold March is looking to continue that pattern all the way through the third week, and a better chance of also above normal precipitation. So what has been a persistent pattern this winter, as we get into the very last week of winter, it looks to continue the colder and wetter pattern. And summarizing, again, a quiet weekend expected for the most part. Going to be cold, well below normal high temperatures today. Some slight warming Sunday. Not nearly as windy today as it was yesterday. And precipitation is going to move back into Idaho as we get into Sunday, late Sunday through the middle of next week. And again, snow levels generally around 6,000 feet during this time period. So the heavier snow is going to be confined to the mountains, and we expect mainly rain, lower elevations in the Magic Valley, Snake River Plain. So that will conclude the briefing today. If you have any questions, contact us at the number listed at the bottom of this page 24 hours a day, or visit our website. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.